Welcome to Glimpse Pro. Do you want to learn programming but don't know where to start? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how you can learn coding easily using artificial intelligence. Yes, it's no longer as difficult as before, thanks to powerful tools like Replit AI and Codeium. 1. Why use AI to learn programming? Learning to code can be frustrating, especially when you face problems and have no one to help. But with AI, you now have a personal tutor available 24/7. It can explain code, fix errors, and even write code from scratch for you. 2. Replit AI, coding like a pro. Replit AI is an AI-powered code editor that allows you to write code with AI assistance, detect and fix errors instantly, work on projects directly from your browser without installing any software. Simply put, this tool is perfect for beginners and professionals who want a smart and fast coding environment. 3. Codeium, AI at the service of developers. If you're looking for a smart assistant to help you while coding, Codeium is the perfect choice. It suggests code as you type. It provides shortcuts to speed up tasks. It supports multiple programming languages. With these features, you can code faster, avoid common mistakes, and make learning more enjoyable and productive. Conclusion: coding is no longer hard. No, there are no excuses. With tools like Replit AI and Codeium, you can learn programming faster and easier than ever. Have you tried any of these tools before? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to support Glimpse Pro by subscribing and turning on notifications to stay updated on AI and tech content. See you in the next video.